Hi, today we are going to talk about our new product, which is Happinetz Campus, a campus wide internet filtering solution which you can deploy within 10 minutes. So, we already know that today schools have the Wi Fi networks, interactive panels, computer labs, and many of the schools have BYOD, bring your own devices. But is your school network filtered? Are kids accessing the filtered internet which is supposed to be given to them as per the compliance and the regulation by the government? Kids can access social media, gaming, OTT, and harmful websites inside your network. So, with keeping this in mind, how we can filter the entire network without any kind of hardware requirement or installation of any app or VPN services on your any of the devices. We have built Happinetz Campus. It's an AI powered internet safety system where we are monitoring more than 110 million websites and apps and blocking more than 22 million websites and apps. It gets ready within 10 minutes. You can have a different kind of internet policies for students, staff, and teams. So let's see how it works. So you go to campus.happiness.com and create a new account. I've already created an account, so I'll just simply click sign in and I'll sign in. Once you sign in, you reach the dashboard. I'll explain you each and every point here. So this is the plan. We already give you a 7 days free trial period without any credit card. You can deploy this inside your campus. This is the public IP of your network, which is required to be added in our dashboard. For the first time when you log in, it will be automatically fetched. After that, if you want to edit it, you can edit it. These are the primary and the secondary DNS IPs which you need to add in your router or firewall, whichever you are using inside your campus to deploy the internet filter. This public IP is the name or your identifier of your school. So please make sure that this remain constant. If you have static IP, well and good, you don't have to do anything. But suppose your ISP has given your dynamic public IP, you just simply needs to install an app, an agent inside your any of one of the desktop inside the campus, and the work of that agent will be just to update the public IP whenever that changes, so that there are no manual interventions are required and filter doesn't break. This is an organization ID given uniquely to you. Inside the profile section, you will see your name. You can update the password and all. This is where the filters comes. As I mentioned that we have categorized the whole internet into these 15 categories, and just by single toggle on toggle off, you can allow certain kind of websites and app inside your campus. You can have different policies for students, staffs as required. You don't have to worry about which website and app you should block, because just to give you an understanding, we block more than 22 million websites and app which falls under adult and unsecured, so they are permanently blocked. Adult means pornography, gambling, violence, all such kind of websites and apps. Security means malware, ransomware, virus propagation, all such kind of websites and apps. So these two consist of 22 million websites and apps. Rest all the websites and apps we have divided into these categories, and you can simply use it as and when you require. Just by toggle on toggle off, you can allow it. If this is toggle on, this means that education, all websites and app under the education category will work. If this is off, this means that everything inside the education category will be off. So we want to switch it on, I can simply switch it on. We have also given popular apps option inside chat, forum, social media, and video entertainment. Suppose under chat and forum, you don't want to allow the whole chat and forum, only allow Microsoft Teams and WhatsApp, you can do that. Similar thing is under social media. Right now I've switched on the whole social media, so everything under social media will work along with all these popular websites and apps. And video entertainment, we have given the options from Netflix, Hotstar, Prime. So only Netflix and YouTube should work, rest all things should be off. Safe search is on, which means anything anybody searching on the internet, Google search engine or Bing search engine, they will only see the safe results. No explicit images or links will come. Similar thing which we have done for YouTube. Whenever YouTube is on, if YouTube is on, it will only work in restricted mode, which means that 16 plus content will not be visible to a child. So this is how you can do it, filtering. Now setup, all the setup related information is already mentioned here. Adding IP guide, as I already mentioned, that IP is the identifier of your campus, which is already added here. You can see if you require to put a network agent, you can click it and how to see. If you have a static public IP, no need to do this, you can ignore this. Now coming on to the DNS configuration, how you can deploy our DNS inside your router and firewall. If you are using router, you can check this document. If you have firewall, you can check this document. So let's see. So we have our DNS IPs as this, primary and secondary. Now let's enter inside the router. So I've already entered inside the router. Inside the network or whichever router or firewall you have, you just have to find LAN DHCP server. So in my router, I've already added the DNS server 1, DNS server 2 and saved it. You can submit and save it. That's it, nothing else. Just make sure that RA service is disabled or DNS proxies are disabled. Your DHCP servers for IPv6 is disabled, so that it can only work as per the IPv4. You just save it and reboot the router. Once it is rebooted, you close the browser and you can start the testing. Now let's see if you want to start the testing, how it will look. As per our filters, everything is on. Under video entertainment, Amazon Prime, Jio Star is off and shopping is off, and news and general knowledge is on. So let's see if I'm trying to open anything related to news. I'll refresh it first. Let's see first the safe search option. So I can open and it's showing safe search filtering is on. If I click on it, it will show that safe search is always on. So if suppose I am clicking here porn, what will happen? It will not show any kind of information or website where you can go and watch pornography. Now let's see if I am searching any news. Can I open any news? If I want to open, I can open any news. And ad sections was blocked, advertisement. So no ads will be visible, and I can easily, these ads are blocked because ad as a category was off, but I can easily read all the news. Now shopping, the shopping was as a category was off. So if I'm trying to open anything, so let's see what is happening. So Amazon is blocked because Amazon comes under online shopping. I can go back. When I open any other websites and app, suppose Snapdeal, this is how it will show, because we are blocking this and the request is going to blog.happinetz.com, so it's already blocked. Similar thing is if there is a Flipkart. So all the online shopping websites and app was off, so it will show this as an off. So Happinetz works with all kind of routers and firewall because it's a filtering service which you can utilize within your existing infrastructure without adding any new hardware or networking switches, access points inside your campus. Next point is that before closing, I want to add that these are the DNS enforcement steps which you can take inside your router or firewall, basically blocking some of the ports, which helps so that students cannot bypass the filtering setting which you have deployed. It's very easy. It also takes less than 5 minutes of your time. In the help section, we have already mentioned how the block page will look like, which I have already shown you. how you can deploy different kind of internet policy for students and staff, and the troubleshooting guide. In the dashboard, if you want to have a different kind of internet policy, here you will see different DNS IPs for different group policies, which means that one DNS IP set is for group policy 1, different group IP DNS IPs is for group policy 2. So wherever there are VLANs already created in your subnet, you can have a different DNS IPs per VLANs, and as per that the policy will work. So that's it. You can be ready within 10 minutes inside your campus with your existing infrastructure. No new cost or installations are required. No device installations are required. You don't need to put any kind of software inside the devices, whether that's a desktop, laptop, mobile phone, interactive panel, and you can start using Happinetz from the free plan for 7 days free try, and you can start utilizing it. Thank you.